So here we are on the main page of my Elevate account, and we are going to go into the teacher resources. As we enter for the first time at the main page, you're going to have a nice quick tutorial on the different technology features. And it's a great reference if for some reason you need to have it, just know it's there. You can go into any of the units. Here we're going to click on Unit 1. And all the units, when you click on the main unit, you're going to be able to access the teacher's manual PDF. This teacher's manual is a great resource, and it's so important to review and look at for all of the teaching tools and tips. We also have Unit 1 translations and answers on this main page. We're going to go into Stage 1. And you can see how it starts with assessment. So this is where we house our assessment. I'm going to take you into 2 of those. One is focused on the story. And the other is focused on reading comprehension. We do have the answers on the platform available. We also have language worksheets. These downloadable activity worksheets give teachers additional material for extra student practice on storyline, culture, and language. I'm going to take you into a few of these so you can see how they vary. Teacher management features allow teachers to share annotations, links, commentary with students. So as we start getting to a little bit more of the administration or design of how we want to make our classes unique for us, you highlight and up pops a menu bar. You can add a note, you can highlight, add a web link, a hyperlink, or even a voice note. So again, all you have to do is highlight, and then up is going to pop the menu where you can select what you'd like to insert or make note of or draw attention to. One of the features, if you look down below here, for accessibility, and then also is the bookmark. So you click on it to activate the bookmark, and then let's go ahead and add the bookmark. So I just clicked to drop it, so the bookmark was added. And then if you click on the bookmark, you will see another menu that pops up that allows you the option to name your bookmark, could share it, or you can even delete it, like I just did. So again, that's a quick click, and then a click to drop, and then a final click to see the menu if you'd like to further identify and use your bookmark. So again, a lot of great tools in the teacher resources online in Elevate. Some of them are for you and managing your class, and other ones are for you being able to further explore Latin with your students as well as assess your students' learning. I'm going to now take us back to the main page for Elevate. We hope this has given you a good overview of resources available to you with our digital Latin resources. Please visit the link on the screen and below for more support, ideas, and resources.